3, 2, 1. Good evening, everybody. This is STL Weather Meteorologist Bobby Stoll here with this week's edition of Forecast Friday. As always, we'll start with our observations from across the area. At 8:41 last night, it was 82 in Bethalto, 91 downtown, and 87 in Chesterfield, with dew points in the 70s all across the area. Overnight, you can see we dropped down into the 70s before rebounding up into the 90s today. And with those dew points in the 70s, it definitely was very humid and very sticky today. And you can see St. Louis is still staying at 90 right about now. Looking at our winds, overnight, the winds were strong, but for the most part today, there has not been much of a wind. And this is just the average over a minute or something. It has not been that windy at all today, to tell you the truth. Whoops, I skipped some measurements. Tried it again. You can see recently, though, the wind has not been very strong, but with the storms blowing through as I film this, the wind's about to pick up. You can see it's mostly because of this cool front just to our north that's been pushing through along with that associated low pressure system. You can see right there, there's a front and there's a low, so that's why we're having storms right now. And if you head over here to take a look at our national radar, you can see the clouds and the rain. Let me dim that rain out real quick so you can see the cloud cover. You can see those reds mean the highest clouds. So let's dim the clouds out and bring the radar. You can see the radar highlighted there. You can see the line of storms just blowing through along with, and I'm going to stop that and come back there a little bit so you can see the development. Okay, stop right there. So you can kind of see how the clouds have really poofed up over the last couple hours or so. And it's all because of that cold front that I just mentioned right there just to our west. So this is right along the cold front. And that's going to be the general trend for tonight. After this, though, we should be good for the most part this weekend. Let's take a look at the local Doppler radar. Now once the storms blow through here, it's going to be a little difficult to show completely on radar. Yeah, we're still getting through early this morning. There's a little bit of stuff right there just to the south that blew up right about noontime today. And there's a storm starting to fire right there, and they're really going to start firing now as the sun goes down here. Yeah, but like I said, though, once this all moves through, we should be good. Now, it's a little hard to see because, the radar is kind of really getting stuff out here. So let's switch over and take a look at radar scope real quick and see what radar scope's showing us on a closer basis here. Now, this storm does have a significant weather advisory on it at this time. Like I said, though, if we zoom back out here, this is all that there is right now. Behind it, there's nothing. So once this little guy blows through, we'll be good for the most part tonight. So the forecast is I'll animate the rate. I'll switch over and use this one here. So we're looking at short term here. But yeah, so for the forecast for tonight, 70% chance of showers overnight, and this does extend into the early morning hours. Storms for the most part should be out of here by 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. So tonight, chance of showers overnight, 70%, low 71. Tomorrow, showers in the early morning hours, getting out here about 6 a.m., high near 90, and it's going to be really muggy. Tomorrow night, clear skies, low 72. Sunday, the humidity goes down, it's a little more mild and tolerable outside. Clear, high of 84. Sunday night, skies stay clear, low 74. Tuesday is what we're looking at right now for the next chance of rain. Now, it's not a big chance at this time, so we're keeping our eye on it, but it doesn't look like it's going to really materialize that much at this point. With that, this is STL Weather Meteorologist Bobby Stoll wishing you all a pleasant weekend. Take care, stay cool, and as always, stay safe.